Hello. Hello everybody. Scott Tyndall's home shop, and Tara is at a friend's house spending the night. So I am going to try to do something for her. These little knobs right here go in her little sewing box. This is her little Singer sewing box. Little step out sewing box. Alright, so I couldn't get these knobs. So what I'm going to do is, I figured sewing, well, it should look like a button. So the closest thing that I have to a button, other than going and buying a wooden button, is the little wheels that we put on the wooden cars. And so I'm going to have those standing up. And I made the proper, well, not proper, but I made the little stands for it. I got one a little long. I'll have to cut it off once I put it on. I hear the other two, they fell on the floor. Thanks. So all I got to do now is put a little smear of glue on these. Better turn it the right way. Dollop all it needs. And we'll push that down. Take this little reamer or deburring tool. I think is what it is. It's got glue. And it's got glue in there. That's in the, so we need to see, there's a, oh, better watch out, that's sharp. There's the plug of glue that was stopping me from going in. And the same thing for the other side. I got to put it down where I can hold it nice and straight. Alright, let's see how they fit in there now. Okay, yes, that one will go all the way. I put a little glue on it. Just gonna smear a little bit right here. And then we'll, yes, right in there. Now do the other one. So now we're going to drill for the axle, because that will complete the button. Now the problem's going to be, that drill bit's got a little wobble to it. Now the problem's going to be, oh, no it's not. Alright, I just got to take all this stuff out. A glue on there. Push it through the head and then push it like that. And there's the little knob. Let me get a clamp. Get a clamp, see if I can clamp that down a little bit, push that on in instead of beating on it like a caveman. Yeah, it went in. I do this one the same way. There we go. Alright, she's in there. Now we're going to do this one the same. Get an axle. A little smidge of glue. There we go. Got a little bit on there, so I'll take that off for it. Before it sets up. Ah, come on. You ain't gotta be a pain. Just cause you're on camera, don't mean you have to be a pain. Oh, there you go. And I'm gonna do these with some Danish oil. Be a little bit darker than this. So, there you go. I lost an axle. Yeah, it's supposed to go down in there like that. Not supposed to have to put an MC clamp on it to get it to go down. One more axle. Go ahead and put them through first. Just put a little dollop of glue on it. Actually, it's a little lighter. I get the corner. And if I don't get the corner, I can't get it down in there. The rest of it. Now, we can take this out and finish. Finish oiling our Alright, there we go. Alright, that's a little quick fix. Right there. I made the little stands. I turn them, I put a taper on them. Because these are tapered a little bit. And what I did was took them on the belt sander and just the thickness of the belt where it stands off the platen, just the thickness of the belt, I turned them down, then I brought them over and cut them on the bandsaw, and then I put them in Tara's little lathe, and I lined them up all on the same jaw in the lathe, the same mark on the jaw on the lathe, and then just faced them off, and that's how I got them all the same height. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. And I'm going to go spend some time with the wife. Hello, wife.
Hello.
Alrighty. See y'all later. Bye.